In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a service rate per hour in Goodday. Setting accurate hourly rates is really important if you want your project costs, invoices, and reports to reflect the actual value of your team's time. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go in Goodday and what to update so that each user has the correct service rate assigned. Start by opening Goodday and looking at the bottom left corner of your screen. You should see your profile icon there. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. This is your main entry point for personal and account level settings, and we'll use it to access the area where user information is managed. After you click the profile icon, a menu will appear. From this menu, choose Account Settings. This will take you to a page where you can configure different aspects of your organization and users, not just your personal profile. Give the page a moment to load if it doesn't appear right away. Once you're on the Account Settings page, look for the section labeled Human Resources, or HR. Click on Human Resources. This section is where Goodday keeps all the controls related to people, roles, and company user data, which is exactly what we need for setting service rates. Inside the Human Resources area, find and click on Company Users. This will open a list of all users in your organization's Goodday account. Here, you can manage and adjust settings for each individual member of your team. From the list of company users, select the specific user whose service rate per hour you want to set or update. Clicking on that user will open their detailed profile page, where you'll see several tabs or sections related to their information. On the user's profile, locate the tab or section called Billing and Finance and click on it. This is where Goodday stores financial details for that user, including their service rate per hour and other billing-related information. Now you can type in the details for the service rate per hour. Carefully enter the correct hourly rate and double-check your currency and any other relevant fields shown on the screen. Accurate data here will make your time tracking and billing more reliable. When you're satisfied with the information you've entered, scroll down if needed and click on Submit. This saves the changes and applies the new service rate to that user's account moving forward. And that's all you need to do to set a service rate per hour in Goodday.